Alright, good afternoon everybody. Ano tayo, medyo na traffic tayo ngayon kaya surprisingly I found a new coffee shop along Floodway, Cainta. Is this Taytay? I think Taytay ito. Cozy place. The name of the coffee shop is Cafe Leti. I think ang pangalan ng owner nito Leticia. Anyway, this is the cute coffee shop. If you're having problems with the traffic, you can just relax. Tambay muna kayo dito. Look at the traffic, mga tropa. Yan. Meron silang mga selections. Cafe Leti. By the way, this is Miss Leti.
Leslie, sir.
Leslie, alright. Ito yung kanyang mga ang kanyang menu. Ayan. If you want to check the coffee shop out, dito lang yan, along Floodway, makikita nyo. If you're going to Taytay, that is on the right side. If you're going to Pasig, that is on the left side. Okay, mga tropa. So I just finished my waffle at may kasamang pancake. Napakasarap ng kanilang coffee. And I enjoyed it. Alright, friends. Don't forget, Cafe Leti. Nakalagay pa dito, happiness through food and coffee. Totoo naman, di ba? Yes. Alright. So we will keep you updated for more food and riding dito sa nagbabakil ako. Red 13 Moto. Alright? Keep safe and ride safe, everybody.